Lisa Briggs from the Bruce Company is here answering your plant and garden questions. The number to call is 608-270-9933. Let's go to the phones, and we'll start with Lynn in Janesville. Hi, Lynn. What's your question?
Hi, this Lynn. I'd like to know about planting my Easter lilies that I got for Easter. Their blossoms are finished, but now I want to know if I can plant them in the garden.
Yeah,
somewhere.
you can. You can, Lynn. Go ahead and clip those spent flowers off. Put it in a sunny spot. They'll last for a couple of years here. They're not the most long-lived lily, but you'll be able to enjoy it in a sunny spot for a few years. Make sure it just has good drainage, so don't plant it in a wet spot.
Yeah, I've done it, and they last.
My grandmother used to do that every year. Yeah.
And then all of a sudden it's gone.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's good. Thank you.
All right.
welcome.
Thanks for calling. Let's go to Mary in Wanakee. Hi, Mary. What's your question?
Hi, we're planning on laying sod, and we're wondering what is the best time to lay sod, and if Bruce Company does have sod.
We usually get sod, Mary, around the first part of May, and it's weather dependent. And at the store, it comes in on Fridays, and we get a couple pallets, and when it's gone, it's gone. We haven't had plans yet to get it in. It's been awfully wet, so it's hard for the diggers to get in there and roll it out. But generally around mid-May is when, early to mid-May, depending on the weather. So give us a call, the plant desk, and we'll see when we're going to have it in. I don't know if it's going to be this week, but probably next week.
And the secret...
Like maybe around Mother's Day?
Yeah, I would think so.
Okay, great.
All right.
Thank you.
And the key is watering it, right?
Yes, and you need to water it every day till it knits. So when you peel back, usually after a week to 10 days, you try to peel it back on a corner, and if it's a little stuck, then it's ready.
Okay. Let's go to Cheryl in Westville. Hi, Cheryl. What's your question?
My question is, it's been so windy here, and I've been covering my tulip daylilies, my peonies, and bleeding hearts at night because of the frost. But now it's so windy today. Should I just leave them covered, or should I uncover them?
They're probably going to be fine, Cheryl. I haven't done anything to mine. I do cage mine, so the wind is less problematic with my peonies than maybe if they weren't caged. But they're fine, and if they get hit by a little bit of frost, it might cause some damage to the leaves, but it won't hurt them long term.
Okay.
So I should uncover them?
You can uncover them. If you want to leave them covered because you don't want to go out in the blustery weather today, that's fine. You can remove them tomorrow. But if the temperatures dip again, if the weather gets nice and then dips again, you can leave them alone.
Okay, that's great. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Let's go to Roger in Verona. Hi, Roger. What's your question? Roger, you there?
Yes.
Go ahead.
Hi, I bought a peony plant that arrived in a pot. It's about 8 inches tall. When can I plant it outside?
You can probably, since I don't know where it came from, if it's been indoors or was grown outdoors, so I would probably wait until the end of the month. Or I'm sorry, till the end of the week when the temperatures are a little better, and then go ahead and plant it outside. Make sure that you plant at the same level as the soil is in the pot, though.
Yep,
Don't put it
perfect.
deeper.
And how about roses?
Same thing with roses.
Okay, thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Thanks for calling. All right, let's go to Pat in Madison. Hi, Pat. What's your question?
Hi, I'm wondering about moving a hydrangea. Would later this week be a good time to do that?
For sure. You want to let the soil dry out just a little bit from all the rain that we've been having. Everybody is like super excited to plant things, right?
Yes.
But I would go ahead. I mean, at the garden center, we've stopped covering the trees and shrubs, and so they've been acclimated to the temps. So you can go ahead and do that. You want to leave, like, really tender annuals, you'd want to hold off until the nights are a little more steadily above 40.
Tomatoes, you don't.
Yeah, tomatoes, basil, that kind of thing. I would wait on most annuals, but perennials and woody plants, you can go ahead and put them in now.
Okay. We forgot to talk about your plant here.
Yeah, so this is a caladium, which is a plant that's traditionally been a shady annual. It's a bulb, so you can lift it and save it. And there's been a shortage of bulbs because the hurricane hit in Florida. But Lori told me that this caladium is actually for sun or shade. So it's a new group.
Very pretty.
Yeah.
All right. If you're on the line, stay there. Lisa will talk to you off the air. We'll see you next week.
Yes.